I was out cruising, getting late, and I was losing when I saw you walking my way. So nonchalant, I bet you get what you want, but so do I, and I ain't losing today. Where your hips were swinging and your jeans were clinging, you would drive me out of my mind. On a hot afternoon when there's nothing to do, you're not the sort of thing a girl should find. So I pulled over, tossed your hair off my shoulders, turned you look my way. Oh, you should have died and you skinned me alive if I said what I wanted to say. So being polite, said we'll do tonight, you said it just so happens I'm free. We got all the right curves and all the right words, and that's alright now. Oh Carol, got me eating my heart away. You got me counting my nights and days while I'm floating on a Milky Way. Oh Carol, nobody's done it before. Oh baby, you've opened the door. Oh Carol, you've done it some more. And there's some more after that obviously, but it's exactly the same to play with different words. Okay, keep it short and sweet. So there we have it, a song from 1978 by a band called Smokie, and it's called Oh Carol. Standard tuning, no capos, doing the same key as the original recordings. Okay, so this is a very, very simple song. It's got some very basic chords in it, sort of G, D, D7, C, G7 and D7, that sort of thing. Okay, very simple chords, but I thought I'd put some runs in it, which makes it slightly more interesting. Okay, for a single acoustic guitar. So let's get to it. So it starts off with this bass intro. It's not in the same octave as the bass, obviously, but it's what's on the record note-wise. Okay, little lead up to a G chord. Okay, open 4th string, 2nd on the 4th, 4th on the 4th, into a G chord, however you used to play it, that way or that way. Okay, and the singing kicks straight in. Okay, so I was out cruising, getting laid, I was losing when I saw you walking my way. Now on way it goes to D. Okay, but I like to put a little run into that to make it a little bit more interesting. So where it goes, when I was out cruising, getting laid, and I was losing when I saw you walking my way. 2 notes, 2nd on the bottom E string, an open bottom E string, and then to the D chord. So it's I was out cruising, getting laid, and I was losing when I saw you walking my way. That's walking, walking my D way. So nonchalant, I bet you get what you want, but so do I. D on I, D7. I and A losing today, G. So the first 2 lines, but I was out cruising, getting laid, I was losing, saw you walking my way. So nonchalant, I bet you get what you want, but so do I, and ain't losing today. Okay, and it does exactly the same thing for the next line, the next verse. Okay, well the hips are swinging and the jeans were clinging, it would drive me out of my mind. On a hot afternoon, there was nothing to do, not the D7 sort of thing that fellow should. G fine. And it stops and there's another lead up, just like the intro. Open 4th, 2nd on the 4th, 4th on the 4th. So after the 2nd verse, it does the intro again. And then into verse 3, exactly the same. Pulled on over, tossed your hair off my shoulder, she turned and looked my way. Oh, should have died or skinned me alive. D7 if I said what I wanted to. G, say. Next verse, so being polite, said what you're doing tonight. You said it happens, I am D3. D7, sorry, D. Got all the curves, got all the right words. D7 and that's alright by G, me. G7. Very quick G7. Okay, so the last verse, being polite, you said you're doing tonight, you said it happens, I am 3. You You got all the right curves and all the right words, and that's alright. Okay, and then we lead up to a C chord. And that's third on the bottom E, open A string, second on the A string, and then into the C. Okay, so oh Carol, you got me in my heart a G way. You got me counting the nights and D ways. D7, I'm floating on a milky. G again, say G7th, and then that lead up again, bottom E string, 3rd fret, second open 5th, right, second on the 5th, up to the C. That's same as before. That run up from the beginning of the chorus. Oh Carol, got me eating my heart G away. You got me counting my nights and D ways. D7, floating the milky G way. G7, run up to C. Oh C Carol, nobody's done it G before. Oh baby, you've now opened the D for oh, Carol, D7, oh Carol, you've done it more. D. And then he just repeats more of the same. Okay. Now, obviously, I made it a little bit more interesting by putting some runs into the chorus. So after the oh Carol, that's why I would like to play it. Okay, so oh Carol, C, oh Carol, you got me in my heart. And that's second on the 5th, open 5th, to the G, right? Oh Carol, you got me in my heart, oh G way. Now, you got me, what I like to do here is, oh Carol, you got me in my heart away. You got me count my nights and... Right, that's a little quick run. So we come into that, oh Carol, got me in my heart away. You got me count my nights and... Okay, and that little run is bottom E string, 3rd fret, on you got me counting G, counting my is the second on the 5th, counting is the bottom E string, 3rd fret. So, oh Carol, you got me in my heart away. You got me counting my nights and D days. So counting is G, second on the 5th for my, 3rd fret on the 5th string for nights, and then the 4th fret on the 5th string for and. So it's okay, 3rd on the bottom E, 2nd on the 5th, 3rd on the 5th, 4th on the 5th, and then the D chord. So from the beginning of the chorus, oh Carol, you got me in my heart away. You got me count my nights and D days. D7, we're floating on a milky G way. G7's a third. Read up again to the C. 3rd on the 6th, open 5th, 2nd on the 5th, C. Oh Carol, nobody's done it. Same again. It's that 2nd on the 5th, open 5th. Oh Carol, nobody's done it. So done is 2nd on the 5th. It is open A. Done it G before. This time, I do it a slightly different run on the G. You could do that one again where you go. You could do that again, but I did it differently the second time. So. Second time it's oh Carol, nobody's done it before. Oh baby, you've opened the door. Opened is bottom E string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, right, 2nd fret, bottom E string. Opened, the is bottom E string open. Opened the D, door. So far the chorus. Oh Carol, you got me in my heart away. You got me had my nights and days. I'm floating on a Milky Way. Oh Carol, nobody's done it before. Oh baby, you've opened the door. D7 float, Carol, you can do it some G or D. And it does another whole part of the song exactly the same again with different words. Okay, you've got everything you need in the song then. Okay, so let's just go through the whole thing slowly. Okay, do it a bit slower than it is on the record, right from the beginning. I was cruising on, so let's do it. I was cruising, getting laid. I was losing when I saw you walking my way. So no, Siobhan, I bet you get what you want, but so do I, I'm losing today. Well, your hips were swinging and your jeans were clinging and they drive me out of my mind. On a hot afternoon there was nothing to do, not the sort of thing a fella should find. So I pulled on over, tossed your hair off my shoulder as you turned and looked my way. Oh, you would have died or you'd skin me alive if you said what I wanted to say. So being polite, I said we're doing tonight. You said slackness, I'm free. You got all the right curves and all the right words, so that's alright. Oh Carol, you gotta eat my heart away. You got my time, my nights and days. Oh, I'm floating on a Milky Way. Oh Carol, if nobody's done it before. Oh baby, you've opened the door. Oh Carol, you can do some more. And off into another section of the song. There we have it, boys and girls. Hopefully that made sense. Just a very quickie for you there. Nice easy chords and hopefully a little bit more interesting with some runs. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.